Hello guys, welcome to lecture 11. In this lecture I am going to discuss about basic data types in TypeScript. Okay, so like JavaScript and any other languages, the TypeScript also provides basic data types to handle numbers, strings, tuples, and other things. So some common data types in TypeScript are number, string, boolean, enum, void, null, undefined, any, never, array, and tuple. So in this tutorial, I am going to discuss about frequently used data types. So when we are writing any code in the components, so what are the frequently used data types we have that we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's see. Here, first thing is let. So what is the difference between where and let keyword? And let keyword is introduced in ECMAScript 2015. So if you are declaring a variable as a let, that available that within the function scope only, that will not available in globally. So within the function only it is alive. After the that function scope, after that it will die. So like where we can, if you are assigning any value as where, we can globally consume. Okay, so let's discuss starts with data type number. So let my age is of type number and I am assigning a value 24. Let my name is a of type string and I am assigning a value hello. So here you can assign the value in double quotes or in single quotes. Okay, so next data type is boolean. So boolean generally true or false values. Let married. Okay, boolean of married is as of a data type boolean. We will assign false or true. So let's here in fourth one, it's a array type, string array, numbers array we have. Okay, like pets is of type string array, and I am pushing values dog, comma cat. Okay, let my info. So if you are getting the details about any user, we will ask what is your first name, what is your last name, what is your age, what is your address, what is your pin code, like that, what is your phone number. So here first name, last name, address are string type, and mm, phone number, age or number type. Okay, and is married or not is of type of boolean kind. Like, so if you want to hold this entire object, what I will do is I will assign a data type any. Okay, let my info of any data type any, and I am providing the developer and 19 and true. So here developer is the string type, 19 is the number type, and true. So when we are going to use this one, when unsure of exact data type, if you don't know the exact data type, we will go for that. I know the data type. I am dealing with the user data type. I am dealing with user related info like first name, last name, age, address, mobile number, and sex. So I have 5 properties. So these are related to user details. So what I will do in TypeScript is I will create a class with user details and I will assign these properties inside that. So like in C# we have getters and setters property, data transfer objects, DTO, okay. Likewise I will assign these properties inside that. So for that I will assign the values. Okay, so that is the exact data type we know. The data type of that object is user details. Okay, and next functions. So here some functions will not return anything. The if it that is not returning anything, the return type of that function is void, and if it is returning something, the data type is something. Okay, like, so in this the function not do nothing, and the return type of here the void is the function is returning nothing. Okay, so return type of this function is void and returns nothing to nothing, so void. Okay, so if the function returns something, we can define the data type it returns. Like here this function is returning number array. So here the return type is number array. See here the returning the numbers array, it is returning number array. If it is returns string array, we will specify here string array. Okay, So based on the type. So if it is returning the user details object, if it is returning the user details object, the data type of this function is user details object. Okay, so that's about the basic data types in the TypeScripts. So while doing the practice, you will get all the data types in TypeScripts. No need to worry about the TypeScript data types of the TypeScripts. So I mentioned few known data types and which are regularly using in component design. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.